Hello, Malak. Are you there? Let us start our class. So we were here. Okay. Now, the ratio of boys to girls at a movie is 4:7. The ratio is 4:7. Like example, if I have a table, or I simply just decide to make a table and make a ratio of boys and girls, okay? The ratio of boys and girls, like for every 4 boys, okay, you have 7 girls, okay? So if there are 21 girls, how many boys are there? Simple. Like you can, 4 boys, 7 girls, 21 girls, you have how many boys? Is it correct? Is this we have to do? Right? 4 boys, we have 7 girls because ratio they have given boys to girls. See here, they gave us boys to girls. So 4 boys, 7 girls, so 21 girls, and how much? Let me put a proper question mark. So it's like 4 divided by 7 or 7 divided by 4, Ghalia? Look here on the question. Why 4? Because you see a question mark here. Be very careful, okay? And then you multiply with 21. Tell me the answers. Yes, multiply by 20. Yes, what is it? 4 divided by 7, what do you get? 0 point. Okay, multiply by 21. 12 point? What? 0.57 times 21. Yes, Malak, welcome, my dear. You have a calculator? Is it a? 1 minute. Hello? Just a second, guys. Listen once again, I'm sending you password. Hold. 1 minute, my dear. Give me a second, girls, please. The answer? Let me check because I don't believe it. 0.57 times 21. 0.57 times 21, okay? So it is 11.97. Sorry, girls, you were correct. Because, if you don't get your... When will you have a remainder? See, that's what, you had a remainder, that's why 0.5777 maybe. You will get exactly with the calculator. Do with the calculators. You just take 2 numbers after the decimal point. My dear, when you do 7/4, it's this way. It's 535, right? Then you have 5 and you put a 0. And you 7 sevens are 49. And you have 1. But that's enough. If you have after points 2, don't care about this remainder. It's okay. Because we are not going exactly. What was the answer? Sorry, I erased it. 11.97. Did you understand what's your name? Malak, did you get it?
Yeah.
So almost, can I say 11 boys or 12 boys? Can I say 11 boys? I cannot say 11.97 boys. 11 boys or maybe 12 boys. Like, I will keep it 11. Multiply, okay. See, they're saying, let us see 12. See, like 11.97 is almost round to 12 boys. That's correct. Of course, I will consider those answers for you. I will never give 11 in a choice. Yalla. Malak, can you read this question?
Yes, ma'am. The store sells package of 25 trading cards for $5.25. Use pencil and paper. Explain. How can you tell that
unit price? Whenever you write the word unit, What did I teach you? Check for per card. That means per card means 25 cards where $5.25. So one card is how much? So you will divide. So you will divide 5.25 divided by 25. Right, Yamala?
Yeah.
What?
25 divided by 5.25. What are you doing like to put this part?
Anyway, it's up to you according to sentence. See, I started a store sell a package 25 with 5.25. Use the pencil. Explain how can you tell the unit price. What did they ask you? They ask you the unit price of per card. That means, where is the card? Tell me. Here is, that's why if you write, that's better. 25 card is $5.5 and they ask you unit price of one card, per card. So one card means you need to put here. One card is how much? Understood? So I got 0.21. I divided this and I multiply this. That's the trick. That's the trick to read the question properly and do it. Yeah, Vatin. Alhamdulillah, we got it correct. Will you all do it, girls? If I get some questions, maybe dollars I will change to real. Maybe, you know, what's the names I will change. I will just change some of the things. Will you do this? Tell me, Ghalia, if you get such questions, will you be able to do it? Just see here, like 25 cards is $5. That's what I'm revising today. One card is how much? You can watch this video when you're studying. Okay. This without practice, nobody gets it. You need to practice it. See, what is the unit rate for meters per second? Okay, so 374 gives you 17 seconds. Okay, but they ask you per second how much? So where will you put the question mark? Tell me. If so yes, they ask you per second. So 1 second, how much? Like that. See again, because what is the answer? The unit rate is dash meters per second. Means you need to find X meters. See, not up. Where did you write second? Look here. That means you have to find per second. You have to find 1 second how much. Like, and see the answer and the question. The unit rate is how many meters? How many meters means next to the meters you need to put question mark because you need to find what do you call it? You need to find meters, right? Yes? How will you do this? 374 divided by? Yes, and you will multiply with 1. Actually, this is nothing. You got how much? 22. I think you told me before, right? It's good. Got it? Be very careful in that question mark and see what they are asking. You will know only when you read the question and see the video that day. Similar questions will be there, right? What's your name? Are you able to understand, Malak?
Yes, miss.
Now see here. In a toy store, the number of dolls to the number of teddy. See, you have dolls to teddy is 6:5. That is 6 dolls. Every 6 dolls, you have 5 teddy bears. And what did they ask? Now, the store have 240 dolls. So how many teddies are there? Very simple, this one. See, Mateen and Rital and Dean. In a toy store, the ratio of the dolls to the number of teddy is 6:5. 6 dolls to 5 teddy. Now, how do you know that it's 6 dolls, Mateen? How do you know it's 6 dolls? The first thing is dolls and then it is teddy. So the first 6 is dolls and 5 is teddy. For every 6 dolls, you have 5 teddy. So the store has 240 dolls. And how many teddy? Means question mark to teddy. Yes, dolls and dolls together. And how many? Teddy. So how do I divide? 5 over 6 multiplied by 240. Come on, tell me, Ghalia. What is 5 over 6? First, tell me 5 over 6. 1 point? Yes, Jimmy.
I think 0.6. 5 times 6 is 5 divided by 6 is 1.6.
Yes, 1.2 times what? 240. How much is the answer?
I think 5.2.
5. I don't say I think. 200?
It's 5 divided by 6. It's 1.2, right?
I don't know. You all told me. Is it correct? Yalla, let me check. You know that 5 over 6 is 1.2, sure?
6 divided by 5.
No, 5 divided by 6. Look at here. 5 over 6. Okay, so just do 0.8. That means she divided it wrong. You did 6 divided by 5. 0.8. Be very careful. Look at the calculators. You all don't have the habit of calculator. It's better do it this way. Yalla, 6.0 and do this way.
It's 192.
192. Let us see. 192. Let us see the answer. No. Let me check. 6 divided by 5 equals. No, 5 divided by 6, right? 5 divided by 6 equals this, multiply by 240. You get 200. See, be very careful. Let me see. My answer is 200. I think I'm correct. 200. Right? How do you get that? See, first when you divide this, you get 0.8 something. 0.8 what? Because I told you take two numbers. See, like 5 and 6. 6 and 0. 8 is 48. And then you get a 2, right? Then 0 again. 6 3s are 18. Am I correct? 6 3s are 18. Yeah. No, you will not stop in one number. You have to do two. I told you 2 numbers. So you'll get 0.83. When you multiply 0.83 to 240, use calculator, your team. Please. Because they are big numbers. When you multiply, you get 200. Okay? That's it, girls. Enough of the divide.